Welcome to promoting your Amazon published book or ebook online. You've just gone through the work and the excitement of completing your first book or ebook, and you are ready to showcase it to the world. Now you have to get the word out and try to get some buyers for it. This, by the way, is just as strenuous, if not even more so, than writing the book in the first place. You will realize soon enough that you have to dig deep within yourself to market what you've created to others in order to make the sales. One author I know, when once asked how his books managed to sell so well, said, "It's easy. Write it, put it in a place where people can buy it, and then promote the heck out of it for about 3 years." I don't plan to discuss the myriad of things you can do outside of the internet to promote your creation, such as book signings, getting a table at trade fairs to showcase your book, and giving away autographed copies, trying to get retailers to sell it, if you've created a bound version of it, that is. The tips provided below are written to help you get maximum publicity for your book or ebook online. Let's start with building your online selling strategy. Where will you put your book to sell it? Well, the most popular choice on the internet is Amazon. This is a very good first step for many books, particularly ebooks. Amazon owns Kindle books, the de facto leader in ebook marketing and distribution. The whole world has heard of Kindle, and there are literally millions of Kindle readers out there that people can use to read your ebook, not to mention that Kindle book reading software is available for computers, tablets, and even mobile devices. So it is very easy to distribute and make your creation accessible to others. Amazon also owns CreateSpace, a second entity that can turn your ebook into a bound book that can also be sold on Amazon Kindle and through distributors globally. If you want to pay market your book through Amazon, you can do that as well through building one of their economically priced advertising campaigns. Going through this process also gets you an ASIN number for your book or an ISBN number if you want to go that route. By the way, the ISBN number is needed for selling hard copy books through CreateSpace, but not for ebooks just sold on Amazon Kindle. You can enroll your book as well into the Kindle KDB Select program, which is like an online library that people pay a monthly subscription to, and you can get additional royalty payments for your book from there, based on the number of pages read. You can also get promotional banners from Amazon that you can put on your website or blog site, and even send in emails to people to further promote your book. The bottom line is that starting out, Amazon Kindle has a lot to offer a new self-publisher. You can literally get your book out there in under a week and start making money from it if people purchase it. But you will need to do further work to get your book to actually sell and start earning you revenues. Your book will get on Amazon okay, but it has to be seen and desired in order for you to make sales. There are books that have sat there for years without any sales at all, so don't think you're done once you get your book published and onto the site. You have to help the sales happen by promoting it. So below is a list of things you should also be doing yourself online to get people to your Amazon purchase page to buy your book. First, be sure you build out your author profiles on Amazon Central and on book review sites such as Goodreads. On Goodreads, also be sure to get your book into their Listopia program, so learn how to do that. Find other similar author sites and get your name out there as well. By the way, you can now get your name as an author on LinkedIn as a new feature on that site. Consider getting out an online press release on your book as well. Make sure it has backlinks to where people can view and purchase your book. Take a look at Reddit as one possible site for this. Promote your book on different social media platforms such as Pinterest, Twitter, Google+, Instagram, etc. Consider building a YouTube channel and creating a promotional video for your book with link backs to where your book can be purchased. Create your own author blog site to further promote your book. Traverse the internet to get link backs to your site or book through guest posting, article writing, etc. Get an automated email marketing and autoresponder system in place and use it to help promote your book. Build your email subscriber lists. Consider getting a podcast series going on iTunes where you can have podcast discussions about the content of your book. By the way, once you get some of these built, stick an image of your book in front of them and upload them to the YouTube channel as well, and now you're creating video podcasts. Keep posting and guest posting and getting yourself out there with people. The more people that know about you and your book, the better your sales will be. Build relationship bridges with other authors. eZine articles and Goodreads are good places to do this. Get relationships with book reviewers, people knowledgeable in your book space, etc. You have to get known out there. Build a Facebook business page for your book and put your author Goodreads button onto your Facebook pages. This can bring people back to your author page on Goodreads. Promote your book on Facebook using the Boost Post feature. This is a very economical marketing platform with great targeting capabilities. Be sure to get on Google Plus and build out your profile there. Then search for and join several communities relating to your topic area and also relating to other authors. Become a positive content contributor to these communities. In summary, if you get through all the above steps for promoting your book online, you will be well on your way to starting to build the base needed to start earning revenues from your book. Best of luck to you in your writing career. Bye for now.